Chief Minister Rekha Gupta inaugurated 18 oxygen parks in Delhi, marketing them as a big move to combat Delhi's air pollution and increase the capital's green cover. So these have been branded as the Namo Oxygen Parks. The reality behind these so-called oxygen parks will shock you, so make sure you watch this video till the end. These trees with the Namo branding aren't being planted by the government out of their own will. These are trees that the government was anyway bound to plant as a penalty for an earlier illegal act. The Supreme Court had last year ordered the Delhi Development Authority to plant these trees as a compensation for the illegal cutting of trees under the former Delhi Lieutenant Governor, who was appointed by the BJP-led government at the centre. 1,100 trees were illegally cut in this ridge area in violation of the Supreme Court orders. This was done to widen the very road I'm standing on, which leads to the Central Armed Forces Police Institute of Medical Sciences. Now, following this, 185 acres of land was allotted to the government's Forest Department under Supreme Court orders for compensatory afforestation to make up for the government's illegal tree felling. Now, when Peak TV checked the sites where the Rekha Gupta government has announced its Namo Oxygen Parks, we found that these are the very same sites allotted for compensatory afforestation in the 2025 case against the Delhi Development Authority. All 18 sites listed in a report submitted to the Supreme Court match the 18 sites where the oxygen parks have been inaugurated. From Maidan Garhi, where I am standing, to Narela, Bansali and Satbadi, every site where the DDA is carrying out plantation to compensate for the government's illegal tree felling is now being branded as the government's flagship environmental initiative on World Environment Day. Now, indeed, the government has announced that it will create 100 such oxygen parks and plant 15 lakh trees this year. That is a welcome move, but the so-called oxygen parks that have already been inaugurated are not born out of the government's own initiative. They are simply a penalty being repackaged as a government initiative.